Hi, Matt here with Uniweld Products. This is Uniweld's hydraulic expander kit for swaging copper tubing. This tool will save you time and money by eliminating copper fittings and solder joints. You can also reround deformed tubes and fittings. The kit includes the compact hydraulic power swage tool and 6 Posi-Lock quick connect expander heads for sizes 3/8 to 1 1/8 inch OD tubing, an inside-outside deburrer, and carrying case with storage compartments. For expanding larger size tubing, expander heads 1 3/8 and 1 5/8 are available and sold separately. Today I'll be demonstrating how to expand 3/8 inch and 7/8 inch copper tubing. Select the 7/8 inch Posi-Lock expander head and attach it by simply rotating the head a quarter turn to lock it in place. Prepare the copper tubing for installation by cutting the tube to proper length using a tubing cutter. Next, use the deburring tool to remove the burr from the inside of the copper tubing. Before swaging the copper tubing, it is important to remember it must be soft copper tubing. Hard-drawn copper tubing is rigid and will most likely split down the tube if you attempt to swage it. However, you can avoid splitting hard-drawn copper tubing by annealing the copper first. To anneal the copper, simply apply heat until the metal is cherry red and allow it to cool. The copper is now soft and malleable and can be swaged without splitting. .3/8 inch copper tubing has been known to split during swaging even when using soft copper, so we recommend annealing both soft and hard-drawn 3/8 inch copper tubing prior to expanding. For a smooth inside expanded fitting, it's recommended to expand halfway, then release. Rotate the head in the tubing, then complete the expanded fitting. Thanks for watching. I'm Matt with Uniweld, quality tools that go to work with you.